Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn HTML and CSS for beginners. To start, focus on understanding that HTML provides the structure for your web page, much like a blueprint, while CSS adds all the visual styling, like paint and decorations. Begin by setting up a simple environment, just a text editor and a web browser. Your first step is to learn the most fundamental HTML tags, such as headings, paragraphs, and links, to build a basic content-only page. Once you grasp the basics, dive into common HTML5 elements like div and span for grouping, and semantic tags such as header, footer, and section to give your content meaning. It is crucial to understand how to nest these elements properly to create well-organized and accessible web pages. Experiment with various attributes, like the href attribute for hyperlinks or the src attribute for embedding images, to add rich media. Now, let's bring your pages to life with CSS. Start by learning how CSS selectors work, allowing you to precisely target any HTML element you wish to style. Familiarize yourself with essential properties such as color for text, font size for readability, and margin and padding for spacing. Experiment with external style sheets, which are the most common and efficient way to apply styles across your entire website. The most effective way to solidify your knowledge is through consistent practice. Begin by building small, focused projects, perhaps a simple personal portfolio page or a basic blog layout. Try to recreate designs you find appealing to understand how they are constructed. Remember to utilize the vast online resources and communities available for guidance and inspiration. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to coding. This consistent effort will significantly accelerate your learning journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.